Hi, and welcome to Redneck Repair, where we fix it all. Got a Ford livestock truck and trailer leaving from getting the service done. Got a guy coming to pick up his car with his trailer. Got the old fuel tanker there dropping off some fuel into the fuel barrels. Got a rollback bringing in a case tractor loader and needs tires. Got a green truck and pup trailer there waiting to come in for service. Got a John Deere Peterbilt there pulling my John Deere parts trailer, dropping off some parts for people coming in and ordering parts. In our shop here we got our generally getting worked on, some NASCAR test and tune, an old Cherry getting a motor swap, 387 Pete, just doing some service work on it. Got some tires laying there, waiting to go on to something. In the showroom of our shop here, we got our Sox and Martin Duster, Hawaiian Tropic front air Dexter. Got our few customers out front. New wrecker I just got. Got my doubles of green wagon set up leaving there. Getting some tire work done. Got a Volvo Advanced Auto Parts semi going past. My Hoyt & Son dairy tanker going past. Over here in our side lot, we got a construction company coming in. Gonna pave this side of the lot. Custom truck there. It's a Mitsubishi Custom. Got a red, white, and blue Peterbilt dropping off a front end loader. Got our Marlboro truck there dropping his trailer for service and lube. Got a Great Plains Petty Enterprises truck back there, or Georgia Pacific I should say, dropping off cars to get work done. Our other shop here, we got a tank truck getting backed into the shop by the wrecker to get some work done on the axles. Got my John Deere Mack truck there with my 3 4020s there. There's another shot of my Pete there. Put different stacks on that guy. This is kind of a quick overview of something I'm planning on doing here. This is going to be probably a mainstay setup once I move to its new location. I appreciate the comments. Thanks for watching. We'll be looking forward to making more videos for y'all. Thanks for stopping and watching the videos I make. I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.